Here's a shorter version of the stir-fried ginger broccoli beef recipe. 1/2 pound, 225 g, beef sirloin or flank steak, thinly sliced. 2 cups broccoli florets. 1 tablespoon vegetable oil. 1 tablespoon fresh ginger, minced. 2 cloves garlic, minced. 2 tablespoons soy sauce. 1 tablespoon oyster sauce. 1 teaspoon sugar. Salt and pepper to taste. Cooked rice for serving. Asterisk instructions, asterisk. Heat a wok or a large skillet over high heat. Add 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. Add minced garlic and ginger. Stir fry for about 30 seconds until fragrant. Add the sliced beef and cook for 2-3 minutes until no longer pink. Remove the beef from the pan and set it aside. In the same pan, add broccoli florets and stir fry for 2-3 minutes until they're tender crisp. Return the cooked beef to the pan with the broccoli. In a small bowl, mix together soy sauce, oyster sauce, and sugar. Pour this sauce over the beef and broccoli. Toss everything together and cook for an additional 1-2 minutes until the sauce thickens and coats the ingredients. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Serve the ginger broccoli beef over cooked rice. Enjoy your quick and delicious stir-fried ginger broccoli beef.